Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove your earbuds TOZO Tonal Dots from the application. So if we open TOZO application, right here we have no button to remove these earbuds from the application. We can go this way or click at these icons. So how we can do this? We need to disconnect them from the phone, or we can remove them from the phone if you don't need them. We can turn off them, and now you just put your earbuds to the charging case, or you turn off them by press and hold at the touch areas for at least 5 seconds when your earbuds turn on, or you just go to the settings, then Bluetooth for connected devices, and right here click the information icon or settings icon and disconnect or unpair. So the most important, after you do some of this, you will see this menu, and right here you need to move your earbuds to the left, and we have this trash icon. Tap at this icon and we did it. We have no devices in this application. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!